Hello guys, and welcome in today's episode of the apartment renovation. Further works have been done to the bathroom, and I mean it's looking really neat. I mean way better than I expected. I see that I wasn't expecting this in really to have the entire bathroom area covered with a new layer of concrete, and you can see that it's really starting to look promising. Although, of course, since the bathroom is old and it's not so leveled. But it looks way better than I expected. I really thought that the worker will do a rim on that side. Like there. But right now it looks really nice. I mean, it's starting to take shape. Of course, with the irregularities and for sure he will add the concrete further on in such a way to have all the water drip right in both of these drains. So there will be the shower, and here the one from, let's say, the middle of the bathroom. But yeah, it's really okay with more fine work. I think that the walk-in shower will look really really good. Also here the space between the lobby and the bathroom, I'm so glad that will not have any level difference, any step like this. So it will be as smooth of a pass as possible. Yeah, it's really all good. And once the mosaic will be installed, for sure it will look even better. My cat is really curious. There's some paws right here. Other than that, I understood that he started to make the fine adjustments to the walls. So with that, he scratched the surface of the lime, the plaster, with that grit. But other than that, inside here, things look pretty much the same. I really hope, yeah, you can see how all this dust, so it's from the walls. I really hope the work will be finished at some point, because it took a toll on me. And especially now cold season arrived, the radiators will need to be installed in order to heat the room and make the process faster. But yeah, it is something that you need to be aware of when you buy a house, an old house, or an apartment in an old house. You really need to replace the electrical system first. The first thing. So basically, you need to break all the walls and to renovate it completely. Not from scratch, not from, let's say, the bricks, but at least you must be prepared to go in and replace at least the outer layer. And of course, this is something that lasts. You can imagine this small 55 square meter apartment, and you see how much work needs to be done. But once it will be completed, for sure it will be transformed like nowhere, or like nothing it was before. So at least this is the thing. And of course, on an old apartment, you need to not have great expectations, to not expect everything to be aligned in a perfect way, because the perfection cannot be found in this world. So just as long as you're not an elitist jerk, all will be okay. In some areas you need to cut corners, you need to accept things that are not exactly the way you want it to be, and this will help you pass easier on this period that it takes a lot of toll on your nerves, especially the bathroom, because this is where the most work is done. So yeah, this is about it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.